welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for coming. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. If you have, thank you very much. Please hit the like or the thumbs up button, and I really appreciate anyone watching who's supporting me on this journey. This is a dream of mine, and I am really enjoying making new friends. I'm still a bit nervous about being in front of the camera, but if you saw some of my earlier videos, I am getting better. I really enjoy making videos for y'all, and right now I have got my June 2020 Splendies subscription. This is, I think, $14.99 a month. You can use the code, I think it's June 10. If it's not, leave me a message and I will figure out what it is for you, but I think it's June 10 to get 50% off, which would make the bag, make your first 3 pairs $7.50, and you can't beat that. $7.50 for 3. I mean, they're really good quality. And for some reason this month they sent an extra pair. These are these really cute little, I don't know if you can see the love. I don't know why they sent an extra pair, but yeah, it says love, and it's the Splendies, and this retails for $12. It's the Splendies brand. It says Splendies was established in 2013. They're from Santa Monica, California, and you see these don't have a bow or anything on them, but they're nice little undies. They're the comfy ones. And the 3 pair that I got in my bag, those were bonuses. I don't know why, but the first pair is, look how cute, or sexy, or whatever you want to call it. These retail for, I don't see a thing on these. Most of them, yeah, it is $12. And you see these are see-through all the way around. I will warn you, if you do them, you probably should size up, because a lot of them are, for some reason, size down, or like these are a large. Supposedly, if you can see them, those do not look like a large, and I have heard other people say to size up. So this is the second pair. These are really cute and comfy looking. These are retailed for $12 too. See the little bow? I just think they're just so cute with the little bows. And these have the full backs. Oh yeah, that you can, when you subscribe, it will ask you, do you want a mixture, which is some thongs and some full undies, or if you want just thongs, or if you want just the full ones. I subscribed, I just got the full ones for now. I may change later when I lose the weight and just feel more comfortable, but for now I like the full ones, and those are really cute, and I really like this pair. This is like really, I mean, I wish I could let y'all feel it. It feels like silk. I don't know if you can, I mean, you can almost see the smoothness. This is, and they're so cute. Look at that. And they have the little bow on them too. And these retail for $12 too. So basically you get $36 worth of undies for $14.99. And like I said, you can get your first 3 pair for $7.50. So to me, that's, I mean, why not try it for $7.50 and you're not obligated to stick with it. Thank you very much for watching. My little one's coming in. But thank you.